Welcome to my podcast. Today, let's talk about 9 ways to avoid distractions. Now, avoiding distractions is essential for maintaining focus and achieving our lifetime goals. Distractions come in various forms, from simple messages and notifications on our phones to people's attitudes and the challenges we face in life. Distractions are quite inevitable and they can occur at any time in any situation in life. Anything that diverts your attention away from your goals and life purpose is a distraction. Anything that prevents you from living the life that you desire, enjoying what you value, or expressing your true nature is also a distraction. Fear, health issues, or financial crisis can all be distractions. For instance, someone experiencing a serious financial challenge may focus solely on solving their financial problems, just as someone with health issues may be consumed by their condition. Distractions, even though they are unavoidable, are not insurmountable. That is, they can be overcome, they can be dealt with, right? And that's what I want to talk about in this article, in this podcast. So they can be dealt with and overcome. You don't need to fear them or pretend they don't exist. Instead, you need to prepare yourself to face them. By learning how to overcome distractions, you can achieve your purpose and find fulfillment in life. In this article, I will share with you 9 ways to avoid and overcome distractions, from the simple steps you take every day to the mindset shift you experience. These methods will provide the tools you need to eliminate distractions from your life. Very important. Number one, identify your distractions. The first step to identify what distractions exist in your life. That's very important. You first get to know what exactly is the distraction in your life. Because what may be a distraction for one person might not be for another person. That's important to know. It's important to recognize what specifically distractions and what distracts you before you even try to address it. Number two, know what you want. Clearly define what you want to achieve. This may sound simple, but it is not, because there are a lot of people who don't even know what they want in life. It's and when you ask them what do you want, just tell you something vague, something not specific, something not directional. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. So it's very important to get to know what you want in life. The earlier you do that, the better. You can't be distracted if know you can't be distracted if you don't know what you want and focus on it. So distraction basically comes, okay, when you don't know what you want and when you don't know where you're going and you don't know what you want to achieve in life. But by the time you get that all sorted, you say that you're gonna have less distraction in life, right? Very important. Distractions divert your attention from your goals. So focus on your goals and begin to pursue them with determination. Number three, prioritize tasks. Prioritize what is important. Address the most important task first rather than leaving them for the last. Value relationships that add value to your life and don't waste your energy on everyone. Your time and strength are limited, so identify the most important people and tasks in your life and give them your time and attention. Avoid those that contribute little or no value to your life, and of course they are the one that will distract you. They are the distractors in your life, so you get a way to get rid of them from your life. Number four, create a dedicated workspace or environment. Having a designated workspace helps your mind and body to focus. It sets the tone for work and helps avoid distractions. Create a conducive working environment that encourages focus. Work when it's time for you to work and play when it's time for you to play. Very important. Number five, practice time management techniques. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking can help you maintain focus by dividing work into manageable intervals with breaks in between. Break large tasks into smaller ones and allocate time for each. For example, set a timer for 25 to 30 minutes to work on a task, followed by a 5-minute break. But it depends on you. It depends on your working pattern. So it may be less, it may be more. It can be an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. So it depends on your strength and your learning capacity, right? After 4 sessions, you can take a longer break. This approach keeps you engaged and prevents burnout. Yeah, so the essence of the break in between is to actually keep you fresh and less saturated while you're achieving more. Yeah, very important. Number six, strengthen your mind. Dealing with distractions caused by people's behavior and attitude can be challenging. Prepare your mind for such challenges. Prepare your mind. That's very important. People's behavior change every time, but don't let that disturb or distract you. If necessary, separate yourself from those with negative energy. Your mind and life are more important than dealing with people's negativity. So focus on your life and purpose. Number seven, manage stress and maintain a healthy lifestyle. High stress levels and poor physical health can make it harder for you to concentrate, so which could actually lead to more frequent distractions. Incorporate regular exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep into your routine. Engage in stress reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies that relax you. A healthy mind and body are less prone to distraction. Number 8. Set boundaries and communicate them. Let others know your boundaries to minimize interruptions and create a more conducive environment for focus. Inform family, friends, or colleagues when you are working on something important and ask not to be distracted. Select specific times for socializing or attending to other responsibilities to avoid constant interruptions and distractions. Number 9. Limit digital distractions. This is the last but not the least. You should limit your digital distractions. In today's world of social media, where there's TikTok, where there's Facebook, Instagram, Reels, everywhere, all over the place, there's just so much distractions. How can we get rid of this? I was talking with someone a few days ago, and then she was telling me like, "Oh, you know what? I just have to delete all these apps. I deleted my TikTok, deleted my Instagram, deleted, all these social media things," and that really makes sense because you just see like you waste all your time on these things. The moment you log onto them and you just start scrolling, you can spend 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. In fact, some people spend the whole day scrolling mindlessly on these apps. While you're making money for these other guys, you're there getting broke. And broke your life. Like broke. No, man. You gotta stop these things. So these are big distractions in our world today. You see, because it's easy to get sidetracked. So it's important to avoid distraction from notifications and constant internet access. Yeah, you can actually put your phone on airplane mode or something that can just you know block those notifications that always pop up, come up on your phone every second, right? Very important. Use apps or browser extensions that block distracting websites or limit your social media usage and engagement during work hours. Turn off unnecessary notifications or put your phone on do not disturb mode while working. By applying these strategies, you can significantly reduce distractions and improve your ability to focus on what really matters, leading to a happier, more fulfilled life. Cheers! If you enjoyed this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Would you like to write a book, share your story, ideas on knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. send a message to bookmind247 at gmail.com. Get my books on Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved ones, birthday, weddings, or any ceremony, is a music got to you? Contact at esoprinceofgod at gmail.com and we're gonna handle that for you. For support and sponsorship, contact also esoprinceofgod at gmail.com. You can also check out this post. Number 1, supercharge your faith. 7 proven ways to transform your faith life. Number 2, Africa's nuclear weapon. Number 3, how to put your nuclear weapon to work. Number 4, democracy is a scam in Africa. Here is what works. Number 5, what to do when you're confused. Kindly drop your comments here. Do like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and bye for now.